Morning peeps. Today's walk is going to consist of going up the Watkin Path to Snowdon. Then I'm going to come down South Ridge, up here Arran, and then back down. And then I might have a little dip in the waterfalls on the way back. See how it goes. Beautiful morning, absolutely beautiful. Let's hope it stays like this. Bring you back in a bit. There's not many more spectacular places than Snowdon, that's for sure. Not many people about today either, which is good. It's usually rammed, this place, but happy that it's quiet. So we're on the Watkin Path, we're heading up. We're going up the section where Carry On Up the Khyber was filmed all them years ago. Sun's out in all its glory, looking across to the moorlands there. Fantastic. See you in a bit. Gonna have a breather here at the Fingerstone now. I've reached the top of the Watkin Path. It's a little bit hazy today. Nantley Ridge, and Mower, Moleyn Mower, in the distance there, Nantley Ridge there, Mole Hebog, Moleylio. I'm going up here. Already looks like there's a bit of a queue at the summit, so I'll see how it is when I get there. Bring you back in a bit.
We're doing the street here.
Fantastic.
We're going on to Kelly Phantom on it.
Oh, brilliant. That's what you want.
Have you been club golf?
I've done it 2 weeks ago. 36th time now. Hello again. Some dude ruined me summit video. Just dropped back down. There's the summit. I'm heading down over the South Ridge, down to the Col, and then up Iraran, and then back down to the Watkin Path by the waterfalls and rock pools. Still a bit hazy, so you can't see as far as I'd like, but cracking day for it. Not as busy as I expected, so that's a bonus. Much quieter on the Watkin Path today. So off I go on the South Ridge. I'll bring you back in a bit. Look at them over there.
Oh, when you go down that stand, well, there you go.
Hello again. I'm now off the South Ridge. I'm debating whether to go up Iraran or not, or just go back and have some time at the rock pools. I'm going to have a bit of a rest down here because I haven't had much of a break yet. Look at that. It's Nantley Ridge. Manad Mower. Mole Hebog. The old working quarry. I'm going to get myself down there, have a bit of a break, and then make a decision whether to crack on up like as planned or go and have a play in the rock pools. Bring you back in a bit. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. I love coming down here to play. I'm going to give Iraran a miss today. I'm going to go and play in the rock pools for a bit. Do a little bit of filming down there. I've done Iraran before. So I'm going to go down, have a bit of a play down there. Very quiet this side, that's why I love it. Hardly any people, which is great. But the whole Watkin Path seemed quiet today, to be fair, and it wasn't busy up the top, so mustn't grumble as long as everybody enjoys themselves when they're here. Respects the place, takes all the rubbish with them. No harm in people coming for a visit, it's good for the area, brings a bit of revenue in. Anyway, bring you back in a bit. Hello again, peeps. Just had a bit of a dip in the one of the rock pools. There's a few people about, but I've seen it a lot busier up here today. Oh, it's so refreshing in that rock pool. Absolutely bob on. Yeah, look at this. Stunning day. Like I said earlier, it's nice to see people out enjoying what we have on the doorstep, as long as they respect it and take all their crap home with them. There's no harm in anybody enjoying the outdoors. Well, yeah, it's been a cracking walk. Felt something go in my left foot, hence the reason why I decided not to go up here, Aran. So I've come down South Ridge, but what a cracking day. Back to the car now, through the forest, little forest. Bring you back later. If not, before. Well, that's the end of this walk. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, big thumbs up, and plenty more videos like this. So if you want to subscribe, it'll help me out, and there's more videos like this on there and more to come. Absolutely fantastic day today. Stunning weather. Just amazing. Thanks for joining me. See you again.